Hey, I love watching TV. I love it. I love TV. That's okay. I get motivated by it. I find out new information. I watch other chefs cook. TV's fantastic. I even watch Judge Judy. That's wonderful. She's wonderful. Anyway, I'm watching TV the other day and I saw on TV they were talking nutrition. They were talking about a new thing where you eat more vegetables and less meat. And at the same time, the meat you do have is a higher quality. Okay, so let's understand this. Like, when I make a dish here, it's a vegan dish. All you gotta do is top it with, I don't know, grilled piece of salmon, some grilled shrimp, maybe a steak. If you normally have a steak that's 8 ounces, top it with a steak that's 4 ounces. But get a good grass-fed piece of meat. It's got great protein and it's very clean and not too fatty and wonderful. Okay, that's kind of what they're talking about. Good quality piece of meat or fish or seafood, and half the amount, and add more vegetables to it. So you subscribe to this channel and I'm going to take care of that for you. Like today's dish, I'm making tagine. Now I'm making a chickpea and carrot tagine. Wonderful, wonderful flavors. And you'll see, you can top this tagine with a couple of pieces of grilled shrimp, maybe 1 lamb chop. Like my normal lamb chop is portion size is like 2 lamb chops. So I would put 1 lamb chop on top of this. See, less meat, better quality meat. At the same time, adding more vegetables. This is a carrot and chickpea tagine. Now, to do this, I gotta have a piece of special equipment. That's a tagine. Now this tagine, it comes in 2 parts. This is the bottom, cast iron. I like cast iron. It distributes the heat evenly and better, and it's a more gentle heat. I love cast iron. Okay, the top part is this cover. This is ceramic. I like that. And together it forms kind of like a Dutch oven with this cone shape, so that the juices evaporate, collect in the cone, and then drip back and baste the stew that you're making in the tagine. So let's get cooking. Okay, so the first thing we have to do in all this Indian cooking is create a spice mix. Okay, so here comes my spice mix. Okay, starts with 1 teaspoon of salt and a ½ teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper. 1 teaspoon of turmeric. ½ teaspoon of cinnamon. This, instead of having a red pepper for spice, I'm going to use Aleppo pepper. What Aleppo pepper is, it's about half as spicy as red pepper, and at the same time it has a nice kind of sun-dried tomato flavor. Hey, that's another thing you can get at Amazon. I'll leave the link in the description, as you know. If you like it a little spicier, add more. You like it less spicier, add less. But this isn't too spicy. A ¼ teaspoon is perfect. Ras El Hanout, which is basically means like all the best spices. I use this. It's a Moroccan seasoning, once again from Amazon, of course, but it's a Moroccan seasoning. It's very good. I love it. It's got great flavor. I use it as that go-to Moroccan spice. Wonderful. And we're going to use a teaspoon, 1 teaspoon of that. That's my spice mix. Very nice. So I'm going to take about 3 nice sized carrots. Okay, I got to peel them. Then I'm going to cut them into large chunks. So I'm going to cut those in half, and then there you go. That's what we're looking for. Hey, for this we're going to use some San Marzano tomatoes. Always the best. I'm going to use about a cup and a half. We're going to start to cook this up real nice. I'm going to add about a tablespoon of olive oil. Okay, what we're going to do is we're going to start with 4 cloves of garlic and a tablespoon of chopped ginger. Woo, you hear that sizzling? That's a good sound. Alright, so remember that spice mix? I'm going to cook that a little bit in there. And when I have 1 onion chopped up. Woo, that's very fragrant. See the color already. Looking good. You want that spice to really fry up. Hey, frying that spice is really special. Such a nice aroma. Wow, that's terrific. I sauteed that for a good 2-3 minutes. Okay, now I'm going to add a good 1.5 cups of this tomato. Ooh. Remember those carrots? Yeah, I'm adding them too. Hey, don't forget, there's a carrot and chickpea tagine, right? I got the carrots in here. Here are the chickpeas. Fantastic. I'm adding 1 tablespoon of honey. And 1/4 cup of golden raisins. Okay, so I'm going to cover this up. I'm going to cook this about 40 minutes. I'm going to check it. When the carrots are tender, this is done. Smells delicious. It's going to smell even better. Cooking nice and slowly in my tagine. Where'd I get it? Chef Dan's Kitchen Supply, Amazon. Check it out. I got a lot of stuff over there for you. Okay. Okay, so it's been 40 minutes. Woo, check that out. That's delicious. Look at that. Smells fantastic. It's wonderful. Put it on some rice. Serve it with like whatever your favorite protein is. You like shrimp? You usually have 4. Put 2 on top. You like salmon? You have usually a 6-ounce fillet of salmon. Make a 3-ounce fillet of salmon. Put that on top. Hey, you know what I have? I have a video of curry meatballs. Fantastic. You got to check that out. If you like this, you'll love that. I'll see you there.